Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to redeem codes in Dragon Ball Legends. So if you want to go ahead and redeem some codes in your Dragon Ball Legends, then this is a step-by-step guide for you. So first things first is you'll just need to launch the Dragon Ball Legends app onto your mobile device. So once you're already in, here's the first thing that you need to do. Just click onto this menu button on the bottom part of the screen. And once you're already onto the menu, you should be able to see this scan code. So if you click on the scan code, you should be able to see two options. So we have picture in here and camera. So if you choose picture, you should be able to get a code that is onto the picture already. But if you want to go ahead and take a photo for that, you'll just need to click onto camera. So you'll just need to aim your phone's camera at the code after selecting the camera button. Now right after it is confirmed, then you should be able to receive your reward for that. And that's just basically it onto how to redeem codes in Dragon Ball Legends. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to your next video.